Can you explain how Objective-C works?
It works on iOS devices, and that's just about it.
I would like a better idea of how Objective-C works, not the devices on which it runs.
Objective-C is considered a superset or subset of C, depending on who you ask. It uses a number of the same commands, but excludes some and adds new features like both dynamic and static typing.
I can understand why Apple vaunts flexibility.
If that were true, their devices wouldn't be so tightly locked down nor tech support so often resort to wipe the device and start over.
How does Objective-C work?
Objective-C uses classes and object-oriented programming.
I need to take classes on object-oriented programming just to understand classes in general.
Messaging in Objective-C relies on brackets and SmallTalk type functions. The Objective-C runtime is mostly written in C as well as some ASM.
ASM is what makes Objective-C object-oriented, whereas C wasn't. Isn't.
There are so many variations of C now, from C# to C++, that it is hard to decide if the original language still exists.
How does Objective-C build on C?
Your message is everything inside the brackets, and that has to contain the method, the target and any arguments. Objective-C methods differ from those in C in that the object getting the message can dynamically decide what to do with it,
as well as do nothing.
Objective-C has more decision-making criteria in the code to decide what to do and when to do it than C does.
So Apple made its programming language smart on the assumption that its users aren't. Ironic given how much smarter Apple users like to think they are.
Cooler, maybe, but not smarter than the rest of us.